The Coleman Kobuk Valley Plus is a quick and easy-to-pitch dome tent, with the additional benefit of an extended porch area for increased living and storage space. The perfect companion for festivals or weekend camping trips, the Kobuk Valley Plus features a ring and pin pitching system for quick and simple setup. Comfortable and convenient, the Kobuk Valley Plus boasts optimum head height thanks to its peaked porch and dome structure. Its spacious porch is ideal for storing boots and camping equipment. And the windows with covers offer the option of natural light or privacy. The revolutionary BlackOut bedroom blocks out up to 99% of daylight, giving you a longer, more restful sleep, whatever time you choose to go to bed or get up in the morning. Coleman BlackOut bedrooms also help to maintain a comfortable internal temperature, keeping the tent's bedroom up to 5 degrees cooler during the day and up to 1 degree warmer during the night. A spacious inner bedroom made from breathable polyester and ultrafine mesh ensures that even the smallest bugs are kept at bay, while adjustable ventilation panels allow you to manage the interior airflow, reducing condensation and maintaining a comfortable temperature inside the tent. The Kobuk Valley Plus has sturdy fiberglass poles, which provide an ideal balance of strength and weight, while the tent's PU-coated polyester flysheet has an impressive hydrostatic head of 4,500 mm, guaranteeing to keep even the worst rain out. Treated with Coleman's UV Guard, the flysheet offers SPF 50 protection against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays and is also fire retardant for increased peace of mind. A durable polyethylene riser ground sheet in the porch attaches to the flysheet, helping to keep the weather out. Storage pockets make it easy to keep the tent tidy and organized, while the handy summit loop allows you to hang lighting. The Kobuk Valley Plus has an easy-to-pitch extended dome structure that can be set up in around 10 minutes. Roll out the inner tent and loosely peg the corners to anchor. Assemble the color-coded fiberglass poles and tie the summit tags. Pass the black poles through the summit loop. Insert the pins into one end of both poles. Push and lift, and put the pins into the other ends. Clip the inner to the poles. Tension and peg out. Place the flysheet over the poles and secure using the Velcro tabs. Insert the red porch pole into the mesh sleeve and put the pins in the pole ends. Tension and peg out the flysheet and secure the ground sheet with the toggles and pegging points. Peg the adjustable reflective guy lines, following the lines of the poles and pegging at 45 degrees for maximum wind resistance. The Coleman Kobuk Valley Plus for camping comfort and convenience.